at them, huddled behind stone and prayer.
They'll crumble like the rest, sire.
No wall stands long before Assyria.
By dawn, they'll be begging to open those gates just to breathe.
Their god won't save them.
No god ever has. Tonight,
Words of the great king of Assyria. Read them well, son of David.
No god has saved a nation from our hand. Yours will be no different.
He mocks the living one, yet he hears. We will not bow. We will not surrender.
O Lord Almighty, save us from his hand. Let all the earth know you are God alone.
Do not be afraid. The Holy One has spoken. I will put a spirit in Sennacherib. He will hear a rumor and return to his own land. The Lord will defend this city.
Then there is hope.